Join me as I dive deep into the Infinix GT30 Pro 5G smartphone and see if I can uncover everything you need to know about this device. The Infinix GT30 Pro 5G is making waves in the smartphone market with its impressive specs and sleek design. This device promises to deliver top-notch performance, long-lasting battery life, and stunning camera capabilities. As we explore this smartphone, we'll see how it stacks up against the competition. With its cutting-edge features and affordable price point, the Infinix GT30 Pro 5G is definitely worth checking out. When choosing a smartphone, we all face common challenges. Performance is key, and a slow phone can be frustrating. Battery life is another major concern. Who hasn't struggled with a phone that just can't last the day? Camera quality is also crucial, especially with social media-driven lives. We want to capture life's precious moments in the best possible quality. The Infinix GT30 Pro 5G aims to tackle these issues head-on. With its powerful processor, large battery, and advanced camera system, this device seems to have all the right answers. The Infinix GT30 Pro 5G boasts a large 6.7-inch display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, it's powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 1300 5G chipset, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM. This phone also features a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery with fast charging capabilities. On paper, it sounds like a powerhouse. But how does it perform in real life? Let's take a closer look. The Infinix GT30 Pro 5G has a sleek, modern design with a premium feel. The phone's build quality is solid, with a durable frame and smooth glass back. The Infinix GT30 Pro 5G truly shines with its camera capabilities. The phone features a triple camera setup, led by a 108MP primary sensor. This, combined with advanced software features, allows for stunning photo and video capture. Low-light performance is also impressive. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just a casual snapper, this phone's got you covered. Another standout feature is its fast charging capability. With support for 45 watts fast charging, you can quickly top up your battery on the go. So, what really sets the Infinix GT30 Pro 5G apart? For me, it's the perfect blend of performance and battery life. This phone delivers smooth performance, whether you're gaming, browsing, or multitasking. The battery life is also remarkably good, easily lasting a full day with moderate use. What makes it an attractive option is its competitive pricing. With its top-tier specs and affordable price point, the Infinix GT30 Pro 5G offers exceptional value. In summary, the Infinix GT30 Pro 5G checks many boxes for a modern smartphone. Its performance, battery life, and camera capabilities make it a strong contender. Add in its sleek design and affordable price, and you've got a compelling package. Whether you're upgrading or looking for a budget-friendly option, this phone's definitely worth considering. The Infinix GT30 Pro 5G seems to deliver on its promises. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, it's definitely worth a look. If you have any thoughts on the Infinix GT30 Pro 5G or questions about its features, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates.